of the Mr. Hanumanji. Like Mr. Hanumanji, being a human being, we are not able to describe because he has the infinite wisdom and qualities. But with the blessing of the Hanumanji, we are going to discuss. Okay, first is you can't do bigger than your beliefs. Just I'm saying that you can't do bigger than your beliefs. My students, sometimes you will see that people have the great, amazing capabilities and potencies and also capacities, but they can't do. But even they can't do because they don't have belief that I can do it. Same happened with the Hanumanji. When Ravan has kidnapped the Sita, all of the monkeys, the group of the Jamont was also searching in the Sita, and they reached at the bank of the ocean. Means at the bank of the oceans, means there he met Jatayu's brother, whose name was the Sampati, and Sampati said to him that means that I can see Miss Sita is in Lanka, but this is the biggest question for everybody's means who will go across the sea and to reach the Lanka. Means some Maharaja said that means I can go, but I cannot across entire the sea. I can go only half the sea and I will sink. Means Anga said that means I can go, but I cannot come back because the when we talk about the Akshay Kumar, the son of the Ravan, means he has the blessing. Means he can kill me that. Means no one was here ready means to go and to reach the Lanka. Means Jamant was also observing, and Hanumanji was also sitting in the silent, alone places. And Jamant said to the Hanumanji, means that you have the power and you have the amazing capability to reach the Lanka, and you were sitting the silent. Means at that time, Hanumanji said that means it is impossible for me. I can't go across the sea and to reach the Lanka because I don't have power. Jamant was knowing that in childhood his Matang Rishi cuts to the Hanumanji. In the future you will forget to you all powers. Which Jamant was reminded to him his divine power, and when Hanumanji realized his divine power, this all of the sudden his body is thrilling and his body is vibrating, and all of a sudden he assumed a giant form and also said that means I can go across the sea and to reach the Lanka. Means not even Lanka, means I can kill the Ravan and I can bring that Lanka to here. Please suggest me what can I do. So my dear students, in today's world there is no scarcity of the Hanumanji. There is a scarcity of the Jamon who can remind to your powers. So my dear students, please firstly set the target, means how many chapters, how many syllabus, how much syllabus I will have to complete means in particular days, and believe yourself that you can do, and if you believe yourself that you can do, then definitely you will do that. Like as the motivational speakers, means motivational speaker always motivate to you, and they said to you that you can't do anything. Not, they always said to you can do it because you have the power. Means they are also playing the role of the Jamon, and you have a hidden talent. Means everybody has the hidden talent.